politics in general, Quebec, false promises and drugs.
Yo, step up, let me tell you the news. Leaders talk big, but they tighten the screws. Manifestos glowing like a neon sign, but after elections it's never mine. Shake hands, fake plans, big scams, news jam. Smiling on the mic, but they don't give a damn. Promises flying like a rocket to Mars, but the poor still struggling, counting the scars. 5 years gone, same old show. New coat of paint, but the rust won't go. Price hike here, tax hike there. Middle class gasping for a breath of fresh air. Sad trying to see, they keep on saying. Meanwhile the youth still out here praying. Jobs, nah, roads, nah, but a statue taller than your mom. Click, click, snap, snap, social feed fame. Selfies at a flood, but who's to blame? Wi-Fi in parks, but no books in school. Keep them distracted, that's the rule. So here's my rap, take it or leave. Politics is magic, tricks up the sleeve. Laugh, cry, but don't be blind. Wake up, people, don't fall behind. Shake hands, fake plans, big scams, news jam. Smiling on the mic, but they don't give a damn. Promises flying like a rocket to Mars, but the poor still struggling, counting the scars. But the poor still struggling, counting the scars.